Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of NFT Browser. So I want to do this video because somebody had mentioned that the SoulSniper.xyz wasn't working. I know this was a tool that I had previously mentioned of a way to track the volume for a project on the Solana mainnet. So this is what you get when you come to the website. But if you click on Watch List, that's where it will show you what projects you want to track. So very simple. All of the projects are on here that you just click on the side. So I don't know why the gentleman said it wasn't working. Right now it says the app experience is degraded. So maybe you're having issues on the app, but the actual browser, if you click on home, it brings you to this screen. If you click on watch list, it actually shows you the volume of whatever project you put in here, which is when you go to here, we'll do it real quick. We'll go to Magic Eden. We'll pop up a project. Let's click on the home page. Let's say we're going to do this one here. We're going to copy this section here. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back to Soul Sniper. We're going to paste it there. It should pop up. There it is. And there it is. And then it'll show me the volume, floor price, the trade volume, and the listed count. You know, very, very, very simple. So just wanted to answer that question for the gentleman or lady that mentioned to me that it wasn't working. So it's working perfectly fine. So if you're on the home page, you just want to make sure that you click on watch list, click on whatever project, and you'll be good to go. So just wanted to do that one short and sweet. Peace out.